Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable TikTok suggestions from accounts you follow. If you want to have more control over the content you see on your TikTok feed and reduce the clutter caused by suggestions from accounts you follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Videos from accounts you follow under the Video Suggestions category. Step 7. Disable the toggle switch next to Videos from accounts you follow to stop receiving suggestions specifically from accounts you follow. By following these steps, you can customize your TikTok experience and have more control over the content that appears on your feed. Disabling TikTok suggestions from accounts you follow allows you to focus on the content that truly matters to you, without being overwhelmed by suggestions that might not align with your interests. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more personalized and clutter-free TikTok experience.